Hello there. Welcome to the Pass for Future YouTube channel, your go-to resource to practice for IT certification exams and career advancement. In this video, we'll explore the key tools and techniques you need to know to leverage AWS for your data science projects. First up, let's talk about Amazon SageMaker. It is a fully managed service that provides developers and data scientists the ability to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. It takes the heavy lifting out of each step of the machine learning to make it easier to develop high-quality models. And the built-in algorithms are optimized for performance, and the platform supports popular frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and MXNet. Number 2. AWS Glue. Glue is a fully managed ETL, extract, transform, and load service that makes it simple and cost-effective to prepare and load your data for analytics. It automates the time-consuming steps of data preparation. It's particularly powerful when working with large datasets, making it an essential tool for data scientists handling big data. Number 3. Amazon Redshift is a fast, fully managed data warehouse that makes it simple and cost-effective to analyze all your data using standard SQL and your existing business intelligence BI tools. Redshift's columnar storage and advanced query optimization make it capable of querying large datasets efficiently. Number 4. Amazon Kinesis is a fantastic option for those working on real-time data processing. It makes it easy to collect, process, and analyze real-time streaming data. You can use Kinesis to ingest real-time data, such as application logs, website clickstreams, or social media feeds, and then process this data with Kinesis Analytics to gain insights immediately. Number 5. AWS Lambda, a serverless compute service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. With Lambda, you can run code for virtually any type of application or backend service with zero administration. It's perfect for data processing tasks, such as transforming data before it's stored, filtering data in real time, or triggering workflows based on changes in your data streams. Okay, these were just a few of the powerful tools AWS offers for data science. By integrating these services, you can build a robust, scalable, and cost-effective data science pipeline that meets your specific needs. As you know, we help the awesome people like you to prepare for IT certification exams. Using accurate practice tests, go on visit passforfuture.com to try our free demo practice questions and start getting ready for that upcoming exam.